Welcome to Dr. Zahir Math YouTube channel. If you like my explanation, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon for updates and share it with your classmates or friends. In this video, I'm going to talk about difference of 2 square, which is a square minus b square equals a minus b times a plus b. Today in the class, I told about this formula and I'm going to give you some examples. Okay, right. Let's start with x square minus 4, the first example. So we are going to write this as a perfect square. X to the power of 2 minus 4 can be written as 2 to the power of 2, which is equal to, now in the place of a you have x and in the place of b you have 2. So it means you are having x minus 2 and x plus 2 according to the rule a minus b, a plus b. Let's take the next example, x square minus 36, which is equal to, we write in the form of the squares, x to the power of 2 minus 6 to the power of 2, which is equal to x minus 6 and then times x plus 6, because this is a and this is going to become your b. b is going to become 6 square, 36 square, okay? 6 square is 36, right? Let's go to the third question, okay, right? X minus y. How are you going to write it in the form of a square minus b square? I told you in the class, if something is not having squares, you think about square roots, right? So x, I'm going to write it as root x the whole square, because we know that root x times root x is going to become x. So minus root y to the power of 2. So this is going to become, right? So root x minus root y and then root x plus root y. Okay, right? Let's go to the next example, fourth example. Okay, right. With numbers I will give you, okay, right? X minus 16. 16 is a perfect square, but x is not a perfect square. So what I'm going to do, x, I'm going to write it as root x the whole square minus 16 I'm writing as 4 to the power of 2, which is equal to, and then root x minus 4, okay, and then it's going to become root x plus 4. Is it okay, all of you? Right. Let's go with one more example with a perfect square 25, right? So which is going to become, which is going to become x minus 25, which is equal to root x the whole square, okay, minus 5 square, which is equal to root x minus 5, right, and then root x plus 5, right? So let me give you another example, which is the last one. I give you x minus 3. Can I write this as a perfect square? Yes, I can write x as root x the whole square, and I can write this 3 as root 3 square, because we know that 3 can be written as root 3 times root 3, right? Yes. 9 only, it's going to become 3 times 3, but 3 is going to become root 3 times root 3. So which is equal to, according to the formula, root x minus root 3, okay, and root x plus root 3, okay. So these are all some examples for difference of two squares. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.